Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when some of these videos have been recorded during subscribers. One of the reasons why I am presenting these videos to you is because these videos are being talked about on social media, and I would like you to look and listen to these videos and also tell me what you think. Alright? Now, first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons who was on a public transportation vehicle. During the confrontation, one of those persons said some very disrespectful things to the other person. I don't have any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation between those two persons, viewing subscribers, and one of those persons in the video said Canada. You see it? Now, the video also shows certain words, viewers and subscribers, and in my point of view, I think that the video shows a confrontation between a passenger and a driver of a public transportation vehicle. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you, but I want you to please bear in mind that in this video you can hear harsh language. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
I come up and people and talk to them, go shut them out. The stink of blood clot. They are coolie boy from India. Well, suck your mother, and guess what me live? Oh, go out. You want a kick in your. You want disrespect the black man who have God in our earth. I come tell big man, you call me grey face. You can't come and tell me over shut them out. Use a little move! The stink of. Next time you do that, boy, I broke your jawbone. You have seen a city straight, you can't talk to me like, oh yeah. You work harder than you in this country from 17 a day I work. You think you can disrespect the black man? You live for nasty. You know Canada bill, boy. You know Canada bill? A 400 year them in slavery and we build England and England build Canada. Well, you know. Go suck yourself. You want to come out the door and kick down your skin up. What look for you? You're not even Dravidian. You said it come. I disrespect big man. Who you think you is? You come. Move! Police can't defend the kind. Police can't do me nothing. You come nasty.
All when the man come out for the public transportation vehicle, the man has said certain things. Eh? The man seems as if he's upset, angered. Tell them people. If you listen to the video carefully, you can hear when the man say Canada viewers and subscribers, and I want to say to each and every one, avoid certain confrontations. Yeah, avoid certain confrontations. Don't make certain confrontations escalate into a fight and make things get from bad to worse. You see me I say? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a group of persons who was traveling in a motor vehicle stopped at a gas station that is located somewhere out there in the world and tried to attack a person who was putting gas in a motor vehicle. Now, the person who was putting gas in the motor vehicle used a gas pump dispenser to spray gas on those persons who tried to attack the person. And because the person had sprayed gas on those persons fled the scene. In my point of view, I think that the video shows some type of self-defense, viewers and subscribers, and I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. See that? Watch it. So me I talk about people. So that person used the gas pump dispenser to spray gas on those persons who tried to attack that person. You see me I say? I think that the video shows some type of self-defense. You can tell me what I think, yeah, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that a female who goes by the first name of Chantal, who you can see in a viral video on social media that allegedly shows when a female stabbed a man, has been charged by the police within the country of Jamaica with unlawful wounding. The news article said that the female is set to appear in the St. Catherine Parish Court sometime within the month of June the year 2022. Now, I posted a video that shows the female viewers and subscribers, see? And I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to the previous video that I posted that shows the female, alright? Anyways, the news article also said other things as well, viewers and subscribers, but I just give you the information, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah, the news article said that the alleged assault was reported to the police on May 28th, that's the year 2022, and that the victim of the alleged assault was a man who is said to be in his 30s and goes by the last name of Porter. See? That's what the news article said. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. In the next video, I'm going to present to you a person said that when you think a Jamaica alone thief there. You see it? Now, based on some things that the person said in this video, I would like you to tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said in this video. I know I agree with the things that the person said in this video, viewers and subscribers, because I think that the person speak fact. You understand? And the video also shows a motor vehicle with no tires and no rims on it, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, let me know what you think about the things that the person said in this video. Observe.
When I think of Jamaica alone thief there, eh? See there the 4 rim and tire come off and then on 4 straight. Right?
No
and
tires.
Thief there. See there? See there Jamaica alone thief. All over your thief too. See there? The 4 rim them guys. See when I put it up the fan? 4 crate. Yeah. 4 rim them guys. And a Jamaica alone thief there. See there?
But people, can you imagine you park a motor vehicle, you go and do your business or you go and enjoy yourself, and you park your motor vehicle somewhere only to return and find that no tires and no rims not on your motor vehicle? That's hot, you know? Let me know what you think, my people. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that had been posted on social media. And in the entire video, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she accused her brother of raping her. And she also accused her brother of being a pedophile. She also accused her brother of abusing her when she was a young girl. And she also said some disrespectful things about a person. Viewers and subscribers, it's not the first time I see a video on social media that shows this female saying certain things. You see me? And I would like you to tell me what you think about the things that the female said in this piece of video. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
Come after me. A 3 week you dey me now. We no 3 week in a 3 week you dey me now. You understand me? I say, me rape you. Me want to know if me rape you. So why you take a set for me? Eh? Night and top of night, from day till night. You take seat pan life and you dey me name 24/7. Girl, me important. Me a occur. You understand me? And what the next thing what you do? You run gun for my brother. For sure say yo, that girl you evil.
Listen.
Girl, you evil. My brother will abuse me. My brother will rape me. You understand me? My brother will molest me. You understand me? Right? You end up going for my brother. Girl, you want a turbless demon. Me I tell you. You're demon. Me ask you a question. You know how much taxi man from me talk about my brother? From me talk about what my brother do to me. From the abuse of my brother abuse me from me a young little girl. You know how much taxi man come out to me and talk to me and tell me say them talk me for what me do. Because my brother have a car and my brother used to tell the taxi man them to pick up little girl. You understand me I say? And carry them go a room. Look underage girl where go school. Woman like you fi dead. Woman like you no fi exist pan God land. You hear me tell you? Right? Because my brother is a petty filer. We work at Hot and Spicy restaurant. He own a daughter said that. He own a daughter know say molest people girl pitney. He own a daughter know about him. Him baby mother 40-year-old sister. My brother there with. And you demon girl. Hey girl, you not no feelings to nobody you know. Yes, a heartless girl, you know. Dog bed girl, you know. Hey girl, my mama tell you say, when you done with you, I swear to God, you better come off of me. You hear me tell you? In the name of Jesus, you better see me and walk far. You understand me? I don't done yet. We're not done yet.
Wow. People, you hear the things that what she say? Wow, Jano, how sir? People are some serious things. She said, Jano, me I tell my people, Jano, but they even know how to approach some of the things that she said in that video there. You see? But on her first video, me see she post on social media and say certain things not very subscribers. And I really know. You understand? But for some reason, I don't quite remember why me never talk about some of those videos I support. You see me I say I don't quite remember. But you know, on her first, me I see videos that shows this female saying certain things, but John was some heavy them things that she said to people. May I tell you the truth, you know? John, you have some people that go through some rough things out there, you know, but it's to know, you know, it's to know. You understand? But overall, still, I like to hear the brother side of the story too. Yeah, but I like to hear the person who she accused of certain things. But I like to hear what him have to say. Yeah, man. Now, in the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you can hear a phone conversation between two persons. Now, the person who you can hear talking on the phone is believed to be a scammer, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, I don't have much information about the situation, but one thing for sure, this video has been talked about on social media. And you can also tell me what you think about this video as well, alright? Please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you better.
Listen.
Yes, from the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, ma'am. Did you receive any message, any legal information? Yeah, see the package on your name, which was coming from Mexico. So are you expecting any parcel, any package, anything like that from the overseas?
Yes.
Do you receive a package from where?
From Mexico.
When? When did you receive this package?
I haven't received it yet. I'm still waiting on it.
Listen.
And can you tell me your first name? We want to make sure we're speaking to the right person.
Tell me the name that you got, because if you call me, you must have the right name.
Exactly so.
It is Lisa, right?
Yes.
What's your last name? Can you confirm me?
Can you tell me what you have on the system for me?
I'm sorry, Lisa. This is about criminal activities, and we want to make sure we're speaking to the right person.
Criminal activities.
Well, if it's about criminal activities and you want to speak to the right person.
I'm gonna fuck you up in jail.
Wow. Wow. My people, you tell me now, what kind of customer care service that? You hear the bad word? Wow. Wow. So that person who you can hear talking on the phone is believed to be a scammer. You see it? Jano, my people, may I tell you. So sit now go on and world, you see? Anyways, I saw me I left it now, my people. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see? Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo!
Skilla.